All right, let's move on. 5 or 6, I don't know, whatever it may be. These were flats. Let's follow the trail. Dave 25 wanted me to do a video because I guess he's allegedly calling on keep behind the camera. I don't know. It's like, douche. I'm out doing something fun. God forbid, he has a GoPro 7. That idiot. I guess the bloody white tampon called. His son called him out on his podcast, on his show, whatever. So we're gonna follow the trail here, see where it goes to. Who knows, right? You don't go unless you know, right? Another hiking adventure. It's a little more fun than that trail. I figured, what the hell? Do it. The old mighty mo. So you got some down here. Got a life preserver down there. So they have fires down there. So yeah, kind of cool down here. I can still hear them screaming out there. The Medtronic. Like I said in the last video, one of them before, they canceled last year because it was really hot. So, because this video comes out, I hope they don't forget about what happened in the hurricane. I really hope they don't. I mean, one guy said, come back 9 months later. There's a brewery here in town that had something in Ashland. So, there's another one coming. But, you know, it's tornado and hurricanes have awesome power. It's when they unleash, they rear up. Mother Nature always has the last call. Wildfires too as well. Those are not fun at all. Have a cool tree. That'd be great for a tree house. I've always said, and I'll say it in every video, the Trees of Mysteries is so cool. That's a great place. We were there 25 years ago. They have what the hell they have some of them praying the same thing, but it's really kind of cool. The pig and whatever the hell they call that thing. Oop. We have a little problem here. If a tree falls in the wood, does it in the woods, does it make a sound? I don't know. If a man speaks and he's wrong in the woods, is he still wrong? Great book, great t-shirt. La la la. Another one I gotta get under. Big ass tree. One fell over there. Ruh-roh. Oh my God. I gotta get on my hands and knees and beg to get through, right? Ouch. Oh, 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 oh. Ouch, that hurts. Oh. Don't try this at home. Oh. They call a hiking adventure, right? Whew. Oh boy. I did that video on that thing right over there. Went down there last fall. I was down there. You can kind of walk up that way, but we'll continue on this. It goes a while, the trail. Kind of cruise along here. It was fourth quarter was, I think it was 17 to 10 still. See what happens. In London calling, taking away. So kind of looks like you can go both ways. Probably go back that way towards the trail. Maybe we will on the way back, I don't know. We'll see where this one goes to. A little more fun than that trail, don't you guys think so? Kind of walking along here. The Lake Street Bridge is over there, you forget about that, but that's a train trestle. I biked on that one trail, the Green Line, Greenway. So yeah, I can go back that way. Get down here. Kind of ends down here. What we'll do is we'll take that trail back, I think. So yeah, here we are. He's cruising along. Kind of ends down the Mighty Mighty Mo. Let's go back this way, shall we? No, maybe not. Let's walk back to more of a better trail, shall we? Probably can, but I'd rather go on a regular trail. The jungles of Vietnam, right? Tell you what, you guys, man. We're right on over here, man. These bad boys. Well, I bought a second battery. This one's getting down to dead red, man. Kind of cool down here. So this kind of takes you out to the regular trail. We're back out. That was more fun than the trail. What do you think, guys? Heck yeah. Oh. Yeah, we'll put in a battery in if we got. There was something I wanted to go back into here. Kind of climb back into a old little area back into here. So, but I don't get too far. Gotta get home and watch my Cowboys. Get gas. One thing about this thing, it gets hot, but not like the GoPro 10. But yeah, it's kind of cool back in here. Very, very cool. I can tell the water came up over here. Guarantee it. When we were down here last time, you could smell it, just the rotting fish. So. Very nice. A little trail back into there. That takes you, kinda. Roll back into there. Scared the hell out of me. We'll go around the corner here. Heck yeah. So, yeah, I can still hear them screaming. But it is what it is. Yay! And walk back into there. I don't know how much farther it goes. I don't need to walk all the way back. But anyways, you guys, hope you enjoyed the little adventure down by the East Flats. So, beautiful day here. So he's still jogging. So it goes a long way. I don't need to go any more than this. It's good enough. Well, anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Kind of got some fall colors. So, let's head on back. See what we get next year. Maybe do some rail fanning, some more cemetery stuff. So, the great state of Minnesota. Everybody out there. Peace, Middle East. Literally and figuratively. So, anyways, guys, from the outskirts, hope you enjoyed the adventure. Get out of the house.